Also, beside the subscribe button is a notification bell. Please don't forget to hit that too so that you can get notifications whenever I post a new video. I'm just showing you guys how I do my little, like my light makeup for school. It's very quick and it looks good, honestly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. So guys, I'm going to start off by doing what I always do before I put on makeup on my face. I'm moisturizing my face using my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I'm just going to put that all over my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my vitamin E oil, and I'm just going to put that all over my face too. So what you want is for your face to stay moisturized under all the makeup that you're going to be applying. I'm not going to be applying too much makeup. You want to have your face moisturized. And the last thing I'm going to be doing is moisturizing my lips. I'm using my Carmix Lip Balm. That is it, guys. You are ready for the second step. So guys, to fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my NK Cosmetics Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Plum.
So if you want to see a detailed eyebrow tutorial, make sure to check out the very first episode of Makeup Mondays. There I explain how I do my eyebrows. I definitely will be posting more school looks, so watch out for those.
So as you guys can see, I'm just lining the top and the bottom part of my brows. And then I'm going to keep doing that, and then I'll fill it in. When I get to the beginning of my eyebrows, I'm taking a spoolie and brushing everything out. So what you want to do is blend it out properly so that it will look as natural as possible.
To clean up my eyebrows, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 355. So going back to what I was saying previously, I'm definitely going to be doing more back to school looks. For this look, I'm just not using any foundation because normally in school I touch my face every time. I like to lie down, I like to sleep, and I don't want makeup getting on every single thing. So I'm going to definitely do a tutorial that involves like a full face makeup and how to make it last throughout the day in school. To highlight my eyebrow also, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330.
So to clean everything up, I just took my foundation brush and I blended everything out nice and smoothly. Now I'm going to go do the same thing to the other side, and I will be right back. So moving on to my eyes, I'm just using this brown eyeshadow from my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just going to use only that color all over my eyelids.
If you are watching this video right now, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. I have a lot of things coming for you guys, not just makeup tutorials. I'm revamping this channel, making it more lively and creating more content. In the next few months, I'm going to be so busy, but honestly, I'm gonna try and be dedicated to this channel as much as possible.
Lastly, I'm going to be fixing my lashes, and I'm using some lashes that I got from my local beauty supply store. So that is it, guys. This is my simple everyday go-to school school makeup. I really don't put foundation because I know I'm going to be touching my face and all that. So this is what I do. Sometimes I don't use eyeshadow at all, just do my eyebrows. Sometimes I don't even wear lashes. And I just do my eyebrows, put on some highlight, add lip gloss, and that is it. If you guys enjoyed this video or like this look, please make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see me do a back to school look with foundation, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.